What is Wednesday Adams' middle name? Louise. Friday. Tuesday. Sunday. The correct answer is Friday. If you were to encounter a thresher in the wild, what kind of animal would you be looking at? A bird of prey, a wild boar, a venomous snake, a shark. The correct answer is a shark. In Christian tradition, what is the universal rite of initiation performed using water? Confirmation, baptism, communion, anointing. The correct answer is baptism. What is the capital city of Qatar, an independent emirate on the west coast of the Persian Gulf? Islamabad, Cairo, Beirut, Doha. The correct answer is Doha. Which hormone is responsible for triggering the body's fight or flight response? Dopamine, adrenaline, insulin, serotonin. The correct answer is adrenaline. Who was the ancient military ruler that conquered Persia, Egypt, and parts of India? Julius Caesar, Alexander the Great, Genghis Khan, Napoleon Bonaparte. The correct answer is Alexander the Great. What is the chemical symbol for copper on the periodic table? C, Cu, Co, Cp. The correct answer is Cu. Rafael Nadal, one of tennis's greatest players, comes from which country? Italy, Spain, Argentina, Portugal. The correct answer is Spain. In A Christmas Carol, what is the surname of Tiny Tim? Brown, Cratchit, Marley, Dickin. The correct answer is Cratchit. The abbreviation FAQ stands for what phrase? Fast answered questions, frequently asked questions, factually asked queries, formally asked questions. The correct answer is frequently asked questions. Which legendary comedic actor played the main role of Alan Parrish in the original 1995 movie Jumanji? Jim Carrey, Tom Hanks, Robin Williams, Steve Martin. The correct answer is Robin Williams. What is the absolute hardest and longest bone in the human body? The skull, the jawbone, the collarbone, the thigh bone. The correct answer is the thigh bone. Rickets, a bone disorder in children, is caused by a deficiency of which vitamin? Vitamin A, vitamin B12, vitamin D, vitamin C. The correct answer is vitamin D. Hyperhidrosis refers to excessive what? Hair loss, sweating, heart rate, bruising. The correct answer is sweating. What shape is the thyroid gland? Square, butterfly, circle, crescent. The correct answer is butterfly.